At Aperam's Châtelet site, stainless steel production meets cutting-edge innovation. And on this occasion, Siemens is very proud to share a transformative partnership that not only optimizes operations, but also maximizes productivity.
Our journey towards sustainability led us to Siemens, pioneers in predictive maintenance technology. Their solution is centered on integrating our equipments into Insight Hub, which is the Siemens industrial IoT solution, enabling real-time monitoring and proactive maintenance. Together with Siemens expert team, we conducted a complete and detailed assessment, identifying areas for improvement to enhance efficiency and to guarantee production availability. Through the advanced technology of Siemens, we integrated our drives into Insight Hub, creating a digital ecosystem to optimize energy consumption.
With the predictive service assistance application, Aperam can now predict and prevent equipment failures even before they occur, ensuring minimal downtimes and maximizing resource efficiency. Our solution not only enhances operational efficiency and production availability, but also aligns with Aperam's sustainability goals. By reducing unplanned downtimes and optimizing energy consumption, we are helping Aperam achieve a lower carbon footprint and drive towards a more sustainable future.
This project has been a wonderful proof of our long-term partnership with Aperam. We are happy that we could support Aperam on their sustainability journey and help them achieve their next milestone. Through our collaboration, we were able to prevent Aperam from experiencing costly downtimes and to accelerate their digital transformation. Today, Aperam's Châtelet site is not just a model of efficiency, but also a confirmation of our shared commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship.